The end of the field, getting to the last little bit. Almost finished.
You know, yesterday, Taylor, that thing only used about a quarter of a tank of diesel.
It usually does pretty good, I think. Got the door open. Maybe we ought to fix up that one without the cab on it. We had some shots of you in 1970 on that thing.
Yeah.
What, do you leave some right there at that corner?
Probably is.
I don't think I could drive that thing. I mean, I probably could, but it'd be a little...
There's a lot to think about. The main thing is just not to run that platform into the ground.
Boy, he loaded it up yesterday.
That's what Mom said. Said that your
His ass,
he said the terrace might be leaking after he got done.
man, I tell you, he had enough dirt in there to start his own dirt factory.
See, I think that big one was hard to control the platform. This one, I think this platform's pretty easy to control on this one.
Yeah.
But
I don't know whether he just didn't see it down there or what. But he said he was trying to pick up some of that short wheat.
oh, sucker heads.
Yeah.
What are they?
Just they barely came up, and there's probably one or two little seeds in them. Here he comes. Doesn't have a platform full of dirt this time. Yeah, Mom said he had to pull it up here to get all the dirt off of it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He deserves a medal for being out there today with that heat.
Hope he's eating
Well, I hope he's drinking. I got sick last year. I didn't drink when we ran out of stuff. What do you want to do? You want him to cut a little bit in, or you want me to get in to cut in a little bit in that middle field, or what?
No, I don't want to start it in the field until we find out what the damage is.
Do you have a phone? You feel like Chevy Chase and Three Amigos, where they riding through the desert and they don't have any water.
I feel like Jim Carrey inside that rhinoceros. I think I'm scared.
Oh man, you deserve a medal for being out there today.
That thing, if you come south, it was
It's
fine.
pretty good.
Going north, it wasn't.
Wasn't so good.
Well, yeah, there were places that was real good, and then I bet you it got. I was calculating it up. 1700,
1700.
25 bushels.
Dorothy's thinking 20. I think you're equally sweaty. She taught a class.
Oh, you been out jogging or something?
Turbo kick.
Huh?
Turbo kick.
You know, did you see? Uh-oh, is this them? Oh, of course it would be. Here, I'll dump it.
I got it.